Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew. I'm a senior in high school. I'm part of National Honor Society here at Auburn High School, and today we're going to be making a origami crane out of just regular old printer paper like you have at home. A cool thing about this crane is that, unlike others, it can flap its wings, so it's pretty cool. This looks really cool. It's easy to make, so let's get right into it. Alright, so we have our regular printer paper here. Now all we have to do is make it into a square. So what we're going to have to do is make a diagonal fold right here. And try to be as precise as you can. The sharper your crease is, the better the outcome is going to be. But you know, not everything is perfect, so we're not too worried about that. Perfect. Now once you have that fold there, flip it over, and we're going to fold this little flap up to the line right there. Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting this in a little bit here. Perfect. Now with your fingernail, go ahead and crease that really sharply there. As sharp as you can. Flip it right back over and fold this on the other side as well, because we're going to be ripping this here. And crease that again. Perfect. Now what we're going to be doing is just rip that a little bit right here on that line, just like that. Now we're going to be tearing this very slowly. There we go. Perfect. And if there's a little bit right there, as you can see, just go ahead and tear that right back off. Just like that. Perfect. You can go ahead and throw that away, recycle that. Now, what we have here is just a square with a line going right down the middle of here. Now what we're going to be doing is folding it the opposite direction. Just like that. Now, go ahead and flip the paper right over, and now we're going to be folding in half, but this way. Perfect. And go ahead and fold it in half the other side. Wonderful. Now, what we have here is diagonal folds and folds going vertically and horizontally. So what we're going to be doing is bring these two corners here right down to the bottom, just like that, and it will all collapse perfectly, and in the end you'll have this little shape here with four corners here. Now we're almost halfway there, so we're going to be folding where it opens up right here at the bottom. So we're going to be folding these corners to the center and aligning it to the line that's in the middle. And repeat that with this other side here. Perfect, just like that. Now, what we're going to be doing is folding this entire top right over these two little things that we made here. So it doesn't have to be a super sharp crease, just make sure there's a line that you can see there. Now, this is the fun part. So now we're going to open it up from the bottom, bring it to the very top with that line we just created there. Now, this is called a flower collapse. And we're going to bring these center pieces and just fold them down the center here. Same with this side. perfect. And just bring that all down, just like that. And we're gonna repeat it on this side. I apologize if there's any noise in the background because I have a very large family, so it gets pretty noisy around here. Perfect, bring that down. Now, we're just about done. Now we're just going to make it into the crane that we all know. So, what in the end we're going to have here is these 4 little sections here. So what we're going to be doing is open one section here and bring this to the top. So basically you can have it like that, but that doesn't look like a crane. So what we're going to be doing is kind of folding it just a little bit below. It doesn't have to be perfect to what I have it here, but just estimate a little bit. And this right here is going to be our tail. Perfect, just crease that. And now we're going to be making the neck / head area. So this one doesn't have to be as big. It can be however big you want. Now, the difference with this one is that right up here, we're going to be folding that. So open it and just bring it down. Just like that. And as you can see, you just fold, make that crease right there. And you have your crane right there. You can name them, you can draw eyes on them, you can do whatever you want. Now just bring these wings up, and boom, you have your crane. Now if you want to make them flap, just make sure to curve these wings a little bit here and on this side. Perfect. Now grab the crane right here, grabbing part of the wing to the neck area, and with the back part, the tail, you just pull. Now it can fly away. Well, that's the end of the tutorial. Hope you liked it, and once again, I'm Matthew from Auburn High School, part of National Honor Society, and thank you for watching. See you guys.